Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify domain error needs attention. Now there are a few things we can look over and make sure of to fix the Shopify domain error needs attention. One of them is by verifying domain ownership. So we can do this by ensuring that you've properly verified ownership of your domain. If you purchase the domain directly from Shopify, it should be automatically configured to point to your online store. However, if it's a third-party domain, you may need to make changes to the DNS settings to connect it directly with your store. Next, we can also check the DNS settings. So confirm that your domain's DNS settings are correctly configured. Specifically, check the A record to ensure it points to Shopify's IP address, which is this code right here. Now, if you've already fixed the A record, allow up to 48 hours for changes to take effect. Now for the third, the SSL certificate. If your SSL status is pending, make sure there are no mixed content issues such as non-secure links on your website. Mixed content can prevent SSL activation. Now lastly, you can also contact Shopify support if none of these work on your end. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Shopify's live support for personalized assistance. You can see this by heading to help.shopify.com. Remember to be patient, especially if you've recently made changes. It can take some time for DNS updates to propagate. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.